students, myself JYOTHI.I.S, tutor of Saraswati Tuition Davangere. Welcome to my class Maths with Jyoti ma'am. It is a class for 7th standard students, Karnataka state syllabus. In that the unit 2 algebraic expressions. In this class you are studying about the introduction part of this algebraic expressions. In this year, you are going to know about what are algebraic expressions, what are polynomials, and the types of the polynomials. Okay, let us start with some terms. Those are definitions of some terms. In the algebraic expression, it is mainly consists of some symbols like constants, variables, algebraic terms, algebraic expressions, and polynomials. Let us know about what are constants. Okay, constants are some fixed values. Its value doesn't changes. Its value always remains the same. For example, if you consider some numbers like 10, 5, 6, like this, its value never changes. Its value remains the same. For example, if you consider some symbols like pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7. In this way, the constants are those symbols which are having the fixed values. Okay, next is variables. Variables are the symbols which changes its values. For example, the name says itself, so variables. Thus, the values of those symbols gets changes to different problems. For example, you can say that X, Y, Z, A, B, C. The value of these variables gets changes to situation or problem to problem. These are not the fixed values. Next, an algebraic terms. What is an algebraic term? An algebraic term may be a constant, a variable, or the combination of a variable and a constant. It may be a multiplicative or a product. Understood? A algebraic term is a constant or a variable or the combination of the variable or the constant under multiplication or division. For example, algebraic term may be a constant like this and variable like this, and a combination of two variable and the constants, that is 10x, or otherwise it's a multiplicative combination and the product combination, a multiplicative product combination, and under division is you can write as 10 by y, like that 6 by z. These are all the algebraic terms. Algebraic term is a constant or a variable or a combination of variable and a constant under addition or division, under multiplication or division. Next is what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is an algebraic term. It may be algebraic term, any one of this, or combination of the algebraic terms under addition or subtraction, and the combination of the algebraic terms under multiplication or division. Understood? It is also algebraic expression is an algebraic term. Any algebraic term or combination of algebraic terms. Combination of combination of algebraic terms under additive or addition or subtraction. For example, 10x plus 2y, okay, or the 10 plus 2y, or 10x plus p, like this. Or subtraction, maybe the 100y minus 100x plus 200, like this. A combination of algebraic terms. It may be a constant and the variable by addition, and along with combination of the algebraic terms 2 times by addition, and also under subtraction, under multiplication, combination of the algebraic terms of multiplication. For example, under multiplication, on multiplication, combination of 2 algebraic terms on multiplication. Like this, 6x, y, z, isn't it? These are algebraic terms which are combined by the products of those algebraic terms. Under division, okay, like this, 6x by 2 into yz, like this. Understood? Algebraic expression is an algebraic term or a combination of 2 algebraic terms with addition or the subtraction symbols, or it's a combination of algebraic terms with the multiplication and division. Understood? What are algebraic expression? Now let us move on to know about a polynomial. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression with a variable of non-negative integral exponent. Understood? It is also a algebraic expression. For example, if we consider xy plus 3x plus 2. Okay, it is a algebraic expression with the variable having the non-negative integral exponents. That means an algebraic exponent with the variable of positive integrals. Understood? The exponent should be positive. A polynomial, an algebraic expression with the variable of the positive exponents are called a polynomial. Understood? Exact definition is a polynomial is an algebraic expression with the variable of the non-negative integral is a polynomial. Understood? We have to keep in mind that in a polynomial, the exponent of the variable should be always be positive. Okay? Therefore, it is a polynomial. Next, another one, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So formula in this also it is having the positive exponents. Okay, let us take one more example. Y square plus 2 any variable 2y plus y cube. It is also a polynomial with the non-negative exponents of the variable. Non-negative, that means it should have the positive exponents. Here also positive, here also positive, and this is also positive. Here we can write that x, y and z. Here this is the exponent is 1 with positive integral. Understood? What is a polynomial? Next, move on to the types of polynomials. Types. polynomials types. Okay. First one is monomial. Monomial. Mono. What is the meaning of mono? Mono means one. Isn't it? Mono means one. A monomial is a polynomial with only one term. A polynomial with one term is called a monomial. Let us give some example for any algebraic expression which is having only one term. It may be 2x, only one term, or otherwise any 5y or any constant is also a monomial. Understood? A monomial. And next one is binomial. Binomial. Here also its name says bi. Bi means two. Here, a polynomial which contains two terms. A polynomial which contains two terms is called a binomial. Consists of two terms. Example for this. Give some examples. Are you following? Next, that is 2x plus 3y. It is an algebraic expression. It consists of two variables, isn't it? Any other one? 5x minus 2y. Okay. Next, x cube plus x square has come x to the power of 5 minus 2x square. All these are polynomials with two terms. These are called binomials. Next, trinomials. Trinomials. Trinomials in which tri means 3. Here it consists of three terms. In the same way, we can say that a plus b plus c. It's a polynomial with three different variables. In this is also a polynomial. Therefore, it consists of three terms. That is x cube plus x square plus x. It consists of three terms. And next one is anything which is having three terms. That is x cube plus 2x square plus z cube. Any algebraic or any polynomial which is having three terms is called trinomials. Okay, let us move on to the exercise problems. This is all about the types of the polynomials. Understanding? Are you following, students? Next, we are move on to the exercise problems in your textbook. Exercise 2.1. Separate the constants and the variables from the following. Exercise 2.1. In that, first man, separate the constants and variables. Separate the constants and variables. Constants and variables. Here given that I will take one by one because to explain each problem. Otherwise, you can make two columns constants and here variables. You can make the constants here and also you can make the constants in another column. But to explain each problem, I am taking one by one. Here given that first one is 12 plus z. Okay. Second one is 15. Third one is minus 6 by 5. Fourth, minus 3 by 7. fifth, 3, 6, 2 by 3 xy, 6, 2 by 3 xy, 5xy by 2, 5xy by 2, that one is 7, 9 minus 7 minus x, 6x plus 4y, 6x plus 4y minus 7z minus 7z 8yz by 3x 8yz by 3x y plus 4 y plus 4 y by 4 11 is 2x by 8yz. Okay, concentrate on each. I am concentrating on each problem. That's why I am taking like this. Here 12 plus z is given. Here this is a constant and a variable, isn't it? A combination of a variable with a constant is also a variable. Okay, therefore it is a variable. And here it is only constant. Variable is not there. Therefore it is purely constant. Its value is fixed. Here it's a combination of a variable and a constant. X by 5. Therefore it is a variable. And here minus 3 by 7. There is no variable here. Purely it is a constant. It is a fixed value. Its value never changes. Therefore it is a constant. And 3, you know that? Yes, constant. Yes, it's a combination of a variable and a constant. Therefore it is a variable. Here also, constant is there, variable is there. That means it's a variable. Here, 7 is constant. And here, 7 minus x is a combination of a variable and a constant. Therefore, it is a variable. And here, it's a combination of the variable and a constant. 6x plus 4y. Therefore, it is also a variable. And here, yes, you can say this is variable. So, product of a constant and a variable is also a variable. It's a division of a constant and the variable is also a variable. And here the combination of the y and the constant by the addition, that is also a variable. This is the division of a variable and a constant, that is also a variable. Therefore it is also a combination of the variable and a constant, therefore it is a variable. Understood? Why I took like this one by one. Otherwise you can make, if you understood easily, you can make two columns, right? The constants one side and also the variable one side. And now let's move on to the second main, that is separate the monomials, binomials and trinomials from the following. Separate, this is separate constants and variables, leave it up. That is separate the monomials, binomials and trinomials. From the following. Here also I am doing one by one. Otherwise you can make columns and do it well. To explain, to understand, to make it you easy, I am explaining one by one. That is in that. First one is 7xyz. Okay, 9 minus 4y. Third one is 4y square minus 6z. Fourth one, x minus 2y plus 3z. Fifth one is 7x plus z square. Sixth one, 8xy. Seventh one, 8 by 5 x square y square, 8 by 5 x square y square. Eighth one is 4 plus 5 y minus 6z. You know very well that what are monomials, binomials and trinomials. I will make you clear that monomial means one term, binomial means two terms and trinomial means three terms. Here the first one is 7xyz. This is what? This is a monomial because in between these of the variables there is no plus or minus. Okay, it is a combination. It's not a combination of addition or subtraction. We have to consider the whole term as one variable. Okay, therefore it is a monomial. Understood? You should not. It is a monomial, a single term. Here in this you are getting 9 minus 4y. There are two terms which are separated by minus. Each term is considered as one term. This is one term and two terms. It consists of two terms and separated by the symbol minus. Therefore, it consists of two terms. We can say that binomial. Two terms. Therefore, we have to write binomial. Understood? Yes. Here, this is one term, two term, isn't it? One and two terms are separated by minus. Here also consists of two terms. For two terms, we have to write binomials. Binomial. Next, in this 1, 2, 3, separated by minus and plus symbol. So, three terms. Therefore, it is trinomial. Trinomial. Next here, this is one term and this is one separated by plus symbol. Therefore, two terms. We have to tell binomial. And next, 8xy. Yes, come on. There is no plus or minus symbol in between the variables. It is considered as a single term, the only one term. Therefore, it is a monomial. Here also, isn't it? 8 by 5 is constant. X square, y square. Is there any symbol between that? Minus or plus? No. Therefore, it is considered as a monomial. One term. It is a monomial. Here, 1, 2, 3. Three terms. Three terms means trinomial. Okay, understood children? This is the end of my class. Keep watching my videos, enjoy the mathematics and subscribe red button. Thank you.